Financial stability is not about looking rich. It is about sleeping peacefully when an unexpected bill arrives. It is knowing your rent is covered. It is not panicking when your car needs repair. And it is never needing a shopping cart full of things just to feel successful. These minimalist money rules can help you build a calmer financial life. A high income does not automatically create stability. You can earn a lot and still feel broke if every dollar disappears into debt, subscriptions, expensive habits, and lifestyle pressure. Financial stability starts when your life costs less than the money coming in. That gap is where freedom begins. The first rule is simple: know your survival number. This is the minimum amount you need each month for housing, food, utilities, transportation, insurance, and basic obligations. Not your dream life. Not shopping. Not entertainment. Just survival. When you know this number, you stop guessing. And guessing is expensive. Write your survival number down. Then compare it with your actual take-home pay. Do not use estimates from memory. Check your bank statements. Look at what really leaves your account. The truth may feel uncomfortable for a moment, but clarity is much less painful than financial surprises. The second rule is to keep your lifestyle smaller than your income. Every raise does not need a bigger car, a bigger apartment, or a more expensive routine. Minimalism is not about never enjoying money. It is about refusing to turn every increase in income into a permanent monthly payment. The problem with lifestyle inflation is that it feels normal. You upgrade slowly. One subscription, one payment, one new habit. Then suddenly your expensive life needs your next paycheck just to survive. Minimalist money rules protect you from becoming successful on paper, but broke in real life. The third rule is to create a financial floor. This means keeping emergency money separate from daily spending. Unexpected expenses are not rare. They are part of life. A car repair, medical bill, job loss, or family emergency can become debt when there is no cash buffer. A financial floor gives you time to think instead of panic. You do not need to build a huge emergency fund overnight. Start with one small target, then grow it. The important thing is that this money has one job: protecting you from chaos. It is not vacation money. It is not shopping money. It is not money for a market tip from social media. It is your financial breathing room. The fourth rule is to attack expensive debt. High-interest debt can quietly steal money that could have gone toward your savings, investments, or future goals. You do not need a perfect system. You need a focused system. List every debt. Know the interest rate. Pick a payoff plan. And stop adding new debt while you are trying to escape old debt. Some people choose the highest interest debt first because it may save more money. Others begin with the smallest balance because quick wins help them stay motivated. The best plan is the one you can actually follow consistently. Do not waste months looking for the perfect method while your interest keeps growing. The fifth rule is automation. Do not wait until the end of the month to save what is left. For most people, nothing is left. Move savings first. Set an automatic transfer after payday. Even a small amount can build momentum when it happens every month without debate. Motivation is unreliable. You may feel disciplined on Monday and tempted by a sale on Friday. A system does not care how you feel. Automation protects your future self from your tired, emotional, or impulsive self. Minimalist finance works best when your good decisions happen before temptation arrives. The sixth rule is simple: wait before buying non-essential things. For small purchases, wait a day. For bigger purchases, wait longer. The goal is not to punish yourself. It is to separate real needs from emotional spending. A purchase that still makes sense after the excitement disappears is usually a better purchase. Minimalism can reduce more than clutter. It can reduce maintenance, storage, subscriptions, repairs, upgrades, and monthly payments. Every item you own asks for space, time, attention, or money. Financial stability grows when your life becomes easier to afford and easier to manage. The seventh rule is to simplify your financial system. You do not need 10 different bank accounts, confusing apps, risky trends, and complicated investments just to feel serious about money. Use a simple plan you understand. Know where your money goes. Know what you owe. Know what you are saving for. And know what you are investing in. The most stable money systems are usually boring. They are not built on secret shortcuts. They are built on low costs, steady saving, controlled debt, and long-term investing. Boring does not mean weak. Boring is what keeps working while everyone else is chasing the next exciting promise. The real reward is not just a bigger account balance. It is having options. You can leave a bad job, handle an emergency, say no to a desperate loan, take time before making a major decision. Financial stability creates room in your life, and room is a form of freedom. Minimalist money rules do not mean living without joy. They mean spending more intentionally. Buy what genuinely improves your life. Enjoy experiences you value. Support people you love. But stop paying for things that only impress strangers or create stress later. You do not need more stuff. You need more control. Here is your reset. Know your survival number. Keep lifestyle below income. Build emergency savings. Pay off expensive debt. Automate savings. Wait before buying. And simplify your financial life. You do not need to fix everything today. Choose one rule. Apply it this week. Then build from there. No money rule can guarantee that life will always be easy. But these rules can make financial shocks less dangerous. They can help you spend with purpose, save with consistency, and build a life that does not collapse every time something unexpected happens. Financial stability is not a dramatic moment. It is a quiet system you protect every day. Comment below, which one of these minimalist money rules would make the biggest difference in your life right now?